Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today is 29th of November. Went to Home Depot. I grabbed a very small haul, just a couple Milwaukee items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I went to Home Depot with my wife. We were there to look at some garden items and to see what she needed for some more garden tools. Where the two combo squares Black Friday deal was, as well as the 2-pack of box cutters from Milwaukee was sitting, all those were gone, and these net gators were sitting there, Milwaukee net gators. And I grabbed 3 of them, and they're $14.97 a piece. I don't know if Ohio Power Tools is still doing it, but if you buy, I think it's $100 worth of PPE, personal protective equipment, you can get one of these gators for free. But you know, it's a small little haul. Nothing extravagant, just a couple small items. Let me grab cutters real quick. Part number is 423R. That's Roger. 423 Roger. Just the R just represents it's red. Moisture wicking fabric, stays dry while working. Breathable fabric, soft, 86% poly and 14% spandex blend. Sun protection, blocks harmful UV rays. Anti-odor treatment, prevents odors and bacteria buildup. Just kind of nice. Trying to get these off without cutting the fabric. Oh, come on. Got it. Get it off. There you go. Alright, so I just took one off. They're like any normal gator that I've been wearing lately. Same width about. They've been stretched quite a bit. Let me put this one on. There you go, guys. That's what it looks like. This is how I wear them. You can wear them in all kinds of different directions. I actually had probably 50 of these style gators from a different brand, from SC brand. Probably, I don't know, 3 years before coronavirus started. I wore them for working out in the sun, but you know, it's nice that Milwaukee has them. I do know that most of the last about year and a half or so, Ohio Power Tools has been giving these net Gators away for free when you buy $100 worth of PPE. And they do, Ohio Power Tools does deals on these all the time. I bought them from Home Depot. It was cheaper for me to spend the 44 bucks. This, what 3 of these cost, $14.97 times 3 plus tax, $44. Instead of buying $200 just to get 2 for free. It was just easier for me to just buy them anyways. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Just a quick video. Figured I'd show you guys what I picked up. I'm now wearing the 3rd one, but appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Figured I'll give one of these to my wife if she wants to use one. That's why, and then, you know, one for me and an extra one for me if, you know, I don't clean the first one. But, yeah, just a quick video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description, I also have an OLSA Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it will get you guys 10% off of your order at olsatools.com, and it also kicks me back availability to get 10% off my next order at olsatools.com. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video, staying as long as you have, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!